how to fix running out of memory in Marvel Rivals. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video I will discuss how you can get rid of that annoying running out of memory error while playing Marvel Rivals. Don't worry, fixing it is super easy. Just follow the quick steps and your game will run smoothly again. First, open up your task manager. Here, check all the applications currently running in the background. Right click on the ones you don't need and choose End Task. This will free up memory and CPU power that the game needs to run properly. Make sure to close everything unnecessary, browsers, updaters, launchers, all of it. Next, you need to go to your Windows settings and search for background apps. You will see a list of programs that run automatically in the background. So turn off all the ones you don't need or simply toggle Let's app run in the background off. So this make a huge difference because those apps silently use a lot of memory and CPU. So once that's done, go back to your settings again and search for firewall. Now don't worry, we are not disabling your protection permanently, but sometimes Windows firewall can mistakenly flag Marvel Rival as unsafe, which causes performance issues or memory errors. You can temporarily turn off the firewall while you are playing and then turn it back on once you are done gaming. And that's it. After doing these simple steps, Marvel Rival should run much smoother and the out of memory issue will be completely gone. So go ahead, jump back into the game and enjoy those epic battles without any lag or crashes. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a like. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.